In a will, it's hope that we are giving. In a will.
Welcome to our club's YouTube channel, Inner Wheel Club of Delhi, Civil Lines, District 301. Supporting the differently abled has been a thrust area in our club. We did many projects in this sphere in December 2025 and January 2026. First, celebration and Christmas party with Samvedna Special Children. Our Christmas celebration with the Samvedna Special Children was not just an event, it was a moment where hearts connected. As we entered with Santa Claus pushing beautifully decorated trolley with two Christmas trees, the room filled with laughter, wonder, and innocent excitement. In those shining eyes, we saw the true spirit of Christmas come alive. With small gifts, pencil pouches, patties, Santa caps, Santa pencils, erasers, biscuits, and fruits, we shared much more than things. We shared warmth, care, and a feeling of being remembered. Every smile, every clap, every hug silently reminded us that love needs no language. We did not just celebrate Christmas. We carried home the pure joy of giving and hearts filled with gratitude. These moments will remain etched in our souls forever. Second, our club was honored by the Samvedna Society for Special Children, an evening of honor, smiles, and shared joy. Our hearts were deeply humbled when our club was honored with the trophy by Samvedna NGO, an organization that lovingly nurtures talent, confidence, and dignity among children with autism. Adding warmth to the celebration, we distributed 150 pairs of socks to the children, staff members, and parents, along with cheerful trophies that brought instant smiles. In a heartfelt gesture of support, one of our club members also distributed money to Samvedna Society towards the cultural program. What made the moment even more meaningful was our club members' wholehearted support by purchasing the beautiful products lovingly made by these special children. Every purchase carried a purpose, as the amount collected by Samvedna is directly utilized for the growth, training, and overall development of the children themselves, empowering them with skills, confidence, and independence. Third, ray of hope through compassion. True kindness shines brightest when it reaches those who depend on inner strength rather than sight. Our club extended a heartful gesture of compassion by giving financial aid towards the blind girl hostel run by Help Right Foundation. This thoughtful support is more than a monetary, monetary contribution. It is a message of care, dignity, and encouragement for the young girls who face life with courage and determination. Such acts remind us that empathy has the power to illuminate and nurture confidence, hope, and self belief. This reflects the true spirit of inner wheel, service with sensitivity and love. May this small act of kindness create a lasting impact and inspire us all to continue spreading light where it is needed most. When hearts see with compassion, lives are truly brightened. Fourth, dental checkup at Samvedana. Our club organized a dental checkup for the beautiful children of Samvedana, and what we witnessed there touched our hearts deeply. These special children may learn differently, but their determination, innocence, and quiet strength speak louder than words. Watching autistic children carefully count money coins, patiently do thread work, and confidently learn in computers was truly inspiring. Every small step they take is a big victory, achieved through love, guidance, and endless effort. The dental checkup was not just about our oral health, it was our way of assuring them that they are cared for, valued, and never forgotten. Their smile, their focus, and their silent achievements reminded us that abilities are not defined by limitations, but by opportunities. Moments spent with these children left our hearts fuller and our purpose stronger. Our club feels blessed to stand with Samvedna in this journey of nurturing, healing, and empowering these special souls, and we carry their smiles with us as our greatest award. It was a collective effort by District 301 towards special children, autism, intellectual and development disabilities, Nirmay Insurance Scheme supported by Government of India. The sponsorship amount was 500 per child. We sponsored 12 children. It was a collective effort by District 301 towards special children, autism, intellectual and development disabilities. Nirmaya Health Insurance Scheme supported by Government of India. The sponsorship amount was 500 per child. We sponsored 10 children. Sixth, Sapno Ke Pank. At Premi Bhai's Chavan School, Katkaduma, our hearts were deeply touched during the district joint project for the deaf and dumb children. Though words may be silent for them, their smiles, eyes, and gentle gestures spoke volumes of hope, courage, and strength. Our club humbly contributed rupees 5,000 towards this meaningful cause with the intention of supporting their education, care, and brighter future. This small contribution is filled with love, compassion, and a sincere prayer that it brings ease and encouragement to their lives. Being part of this project reminded us that true communication goes beyond sound. It flows from the heart. We feel grateful and blessed to work together as a district, united in service, empathy, and humanity. May our collective efforts continue to light their path with dignity, confidence, and endless possibility. Seventh, donation of washing machine. Our club donated washing machine to the blind girls hostel at Burari. And this simple act became a moment filled with deep emotions and gratitude. Watching these brave girls who face life with courage despite their challenges reminded us of the true meaning of strength and dignity. For them, daily chores require extra effort, patience, and independence. This washing machine is not just an appliance, it is a step toward ease, comfort, and independence. It will help them manage their daily routine with greater confidence and reduce the physical strain they face every day. Their smiles, filled with hope and quiet joy, spoke louder than words. In that moment, we realized that service is not about how big the contribution, but about how much difference it makes to someone's life. Our club feels truly blessed to be able to support these inspiring girls. This experience strengthened our belief that when compassion meets action, even small efforts can bring dignity, relief, and happiness to those who need it most. Sponsoring a canopy to the Samvedna Society for Special Children and celebration of Republic Day. Project Prayas, when courage found a voice and dreams found direction. Our visit to Prayas by Samvedna is not just a project, but is a moment that stayed with our hearts. The program began with a Sindoor skit performed by the special children. As they stood on stage and expressed themselves with confidence and grace, emotions filled with air. Every moment, an expression spoke of their inner strength and the courage takes to their face the world. Performing before the general public gave them encouragement and belief that they are capable, valued, and powerful. This was followed by a beautiful Republic Day celebration where the national flag was hoisted along with the children. As the tricolor fluttered high, it was deeply moving sight, symbolizing equality, dignity, and belonging. In that moment, patriotism found its purest expression. After the flag hoisting, our club members inaugurated the canopy cart to empower these special children to become economically independent, making the beginning of a new journey, opening doors to confidence and independence and self respect. The children then began selling pastries, sandwiches, and tea. Our members happily purchased them and turning every interaction into encouragement and every smile into confidence. Adding to the warmth of the day, our club members distributed chips and biscuits tied with the tricolour thread, along with activity bags containing pencils, colors, crayons, drawing books, and other essentials, paving the way for art and craft classes that one of our members will soon begin with these children. Bananas and apples also shared with love and care. To celebrate the children's participation and effort, medals bearing the inner wheel logo was sponsored and awarded by our club to the children securing first, second, and third position, filling their hearts with pride and achievement. Indian flags were also distributed among the children, adding to the joy of the Republic Day celebration. In a touching gesture of some appreciation, the Samvedna Institute honored our club and other social workers by draping tricolor scarves adorned with the Indian flag, also sponsored by our club. A moment that beautifully reflected mutual respect, utility, and shared commitment. This initiative was not about charity, it was about empowerment. Under this canopy, confidence found courage, creativity found expression, and social ability found recognition. Our hearts are full with gratitude for being part of this journey, where compassion turned into action and small effort created a long impact. Thanks for viewing our channel. Please like, comment, and share. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you.